Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Will decentralized storage protocols overtake the cloud storage market? According to IDC's Global Enterprise Infrastructure Quarterly Tracker, Buyer and Cloud Deployment Report, the global cloud storage market is expected to reach more than $100 billion in size between 2020 and 2025. While centralized cloud storage solutions are the mainstream cloud storage technology, they have plenty of drawbacks. Frequent data leaks, server failures, centralized operational control, and hacking incidents have triggered more and more developers to think about how to store data in a safe, stable, and low-cost way. The development of blockchain technology provides a new opportunity for decentralized storage services. What is decentralized storage protocol? Based on blockchain technology, decentralized storage protocols introduce an incentive system to its ecosystem with a tokenomics model to realize distributed and piecewise data storage on multiple network nodes. There are two major categories of decentralized storage protocols. One uses storage as arithmetic power, and users mine by providing hard disk space. This consensus mechanism is benchmarked against Bitcoin-type projects, and the representative project is Filecoin. The other one is storage as a service, providing adequate storage as arithmetic power. The user completes the data storage service for mining. The representative projects are Filecoin, Arweave, and BitTorrent. Why are decentralized storage protocol means that information is simultaneously stored on multiple devices and synchronized. An update is added only when a majority of the participants reach a consensus. Transparency. The hallmark of a blockchain is transparency. Because it runs on an open source code, users can view the source of the blockchain as well as transactions. This increases the confidence of its users as well as reduces the cases of fraud and asset theft. Fewer intermediaries. One of the banes of the traditional financial industry has been the inexorable presence of middlemen. The intermediaries normally needed for a transaction to be completed are eliminated with assets on a blockchain. With the distributed ledger acting as a source of truth, it ensures the integrity of a transaction while eliminating intermediaries. Immutability. Information stored on a blockchain cannot be changed, deleted or corrected by a single individual. This immutability frees tokenized assets from the possibility of money laundering, bribery or unofficial hacking the system. Channel, white, breakdown on its 4-hour chart. This fall formed a strong bearish trendline support, yellow, dashed. While the $7.6 horizontal support coincided with the trendline support, near picked itself up from the $7.6 level. With over 29.6% gains in the last 4 days, it reclaimed lost $9.5 support and displayed a bullish edge. At press time, the alt was trading at $9.752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ADX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. The next, Filecoin, Fil bears initiated a steep downturn after breaking down from the up channel, yellow. With this fall, the alt matched its January lows and ensured the oscillation range of $16.25 since the past month. Over the last few days, Fil saw an up-channel recovery that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the supertrend continued to flash a buy signal. The immediate testing support now stood at the lower trend line of the up channel. At press time, Fil traded at $21.38. After dropping from the overbought region, the RSI headed to test its trendline support. Any close below 58 level support would be detrimental for the bulls. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator continually flashed gray dots, thus still entailing a high volatility phase. The second news today is Polygon, Matic, and Filecoin, Phil, increase collaboration to integrate into metaverse and NFT spaces. Chinese crypto journalist and blogger Colin Wu spreads the word that two popular blockchain platforms Filecoin, Phil, and Polygon, Matic are deepening their partnership in the sphere of NFTs, metaverse and gaming. Wu shared a link to a recent Filecoin blog post where the news was announced. Polygon deepens integration with Filecoin as part of the partnership. Filecoin and Polygon have begun to create grants and hackathons in order to assist dev teams and NFT projects that use Polygon blockchain to integrate with Filecoin and Interplanetary File System, IPFS. Polygon is one of the so-called Ethereum killers that have been attempting to solve that. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Phil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21, and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market